In this short video, we're going to learn how to seed and dice a tomato like a boss. All right, the first step is to quarter our tomato. And then what we want to do is we want to be able to scoop the seeds and the inside, it's not really pith, but the inside tough part of the tomato out with a spoon. So in order to do that, carefully you need to separate the insides from the outside skin, both at the top and the bottom of the tomato. Carefully here. Now, if you see the way I slice this, it has one of the membranes still intact. So carefully what you're going to want to do is just separate it this way. I'll show a couple more. This one's pretty easy. All we have to do is separate it from the top and from the bottom. Same thing with this one. Just a slight slice there, slight slice there. Then what we do is we take our spoon and simply scoop out the center. So again, take our spoon, run it across, and simply scoop out the center. All right, so now what we want to do is we want to slice diagonally as evenly as possible. Keep in mind we're looking for a uniform size, right? Then we'll take it and dice it alongside it. So it's about uniform. Show it again here. The last one. That's all there is to it. It is a privilege, and thanks for watching.